and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Yesterday, day 2 of the team visit to the America Southern Cone region was spent at the retreat house El Cenaculo La Montanera in Pilar, Argentina. Father Ricardo Carlos, provincial of Brazil Campo Grande, acted as moderator and led the day's first meeting, which consisted of listening to the contributions collected from the 10 provincial groups from day 1. Afterward, attendees gave their impressions and feedback on the answers presented and heard. The second working session gave way to the presentation of this meeting's second theme for reflection, working together between Salesians and laity, presented by Father Miguel Angel Garcia Murquende, General Councillor for Youth Ministry, and Father John Luis Playa, Central Delegate of the Rector Major for the Secretariat for the Salesian Family. Students attending Don Bosco High School located in Ngozi, Burundi had access to better nutrition during the second half of 2022 thanks to a partnership between Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, and Rise Against Hunger, an international relief organization that provides food and life-changing aid to the world's most vulnerable. The school has been facing challenges with a lack of food due to excessive rain that destroyed crops in the region. Prices have also risen dramatically as a result of the cost of oil in the country due to the ongoing war in Ukraine. Oil has become impossible to find, slowing the transport of goods. Don Bosco High School struggles to provide food to students and to pay the salaries of workers so they can feed their families. The Salesian Advisory Board at the world level is making strides in promoting Salesian mission volunteering within the Salesian congregation. Over a year ago, the advisory board met in Valdoco to create a strategic plan with the objective of promoting SMV at the congregation level. This plan has 4 main goals: developing spaces where collaboration can happen, providing formation and accompanying the different stakeholders while effectively promoting SMV as an advisory board. The SMV Advisory Board has been working on 2 main projects following the strategic plan. The first project is the creation of a missionary volunteer cross for all the Salesian missionary volunteers. Some of the most creative designers have designed this cross, and the Salesian Advisory Board is excited to unveil the end product soon. Following up on the indications issued by the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime at the end of the 28th General Chapter, the Social Communication Department is currently engaged in the project of renewing the communication document of the Salesian System of Social Communication, SSSC. The objective of this new document is to renew and broaden the vision and management of communication on social communication. This document follows a line of in-depth study that enhances the congregation's heritage and tradition from Don Bosco to the present day and gives continuity to the processes and practice of communication. In a major and extensive work between 2021 and 2022, about 150 people collaborated to prepare the Instrumentum Laboris, a text with all the suggestions provided by communication delegates, their teams, and several communication experts. As of February 2023, a team has been working on the document's final draft. The missionary circles of the city of Lubumbashi celebrated Salesian Mission Day a few weeks ago, in a different style but with equal enthusiasm. This same day was celebrated in the Kafubu Valley, where the young Salesians of the Kansabula Post novitiate animate various missionary groups in the surrounding villages. Thus, on Sunday 19th March, 85 young missionaries from Kanawena, Kambikila, Kisaka, Kansabula, Kafubu Parish and Kwesu High School walked about 7 kilometers from Kafubu to the main farm in Kilubelop. There they followed a conference debate on the theme of the day, that is, Care of Creation, Our Mission. The speaker, Naomi Belu, a young geography and environment student and an active member of the Laudato Si movement, he invited those present to learn more about nature in order to take better care of it. She was very concrete, inviting the young people not to waste water, to respect the trees, not to throw away plastic bags and bottles in nature, to use paper with moderation and a sense of responsibility. To move from theory to practice, the whole group went to a deforested area to plant 100 trees. The young people then returned to the farm where Sunday Mass was celebrated in a splendid green setting. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.